Hello friends, welcome to Dr.Bone YouTube channel. This is Dr. C. Shivanatsumareddy. Today we are going to discuss about a loop. So what is a loop? Loop is something like an instrument with a magnifying lens. This is very useful for a doctor and a surgeon, especially when they are doing some microscopic surgeries. Whenever we want to repair some nerve or some blood vessel, these loops help a doctor in a better way. So recently I went to Delhi for a training, that is microscopic hand surgical skills hands-on training, which was done by Professor Dal sir, Dr. Apur Mehra sir and their team. And very special thanks to Dr. Pankaj Jindal sir and P. Kotwal sir for explaining or teaching their skills to all the doctors who attended for this training. And they also gifted all the doctors with a loop. And recently I inquired how much it might cost so that I can also ask my friends to buy one and to learn some microscopic surgical skills for their benefit. In my inquiry, I came to know that it costs somewhere around 2,500 to 2,800, and I advised all my friends to buy one. So today in this video, I am going to show you the loop and I'll discuss everything about it. So this is the loop which I got it from Conceptual Orthopedics. Can you see this? This looks very good, right? Okay, and I'm going to open this and I'll show you what are all the things available in the loop. So this protective case is a very good looking one, and can you see the glasses with a magnifying lens attached to that? And here is a headband. Here is a headband which we can fix it to our head and we can loosen it or tighten that. And we also have a light source, a light source which can be mounted to our glass whenever we have difficulty in seeing. So this acts as a light source and it gets the power from this battery where we can charge it with a charger. That charger is also available in this kit. Now I don't have any eyesight, so if anyone has eyesight, you can mount these glasses or this glass to their eyesight glasses with this thing. And they have also given one screwdriver to fix those screws to tighten it or loosen it. And now I'm going to show you the loop. Okay, so this is a loop. Before wearing a loop, better use a headband, so that whenever you are doing any procedure it might not fall down. Okay, so I'm going to fix it and then I'm going to loosen this and wear it. Okay, so I'm going to tighten this. Okay, and then so it is mentioned here that it has a magnification of 3.5 times. Okay, and here is a knob for the focusing interpupillary distance. Okay, so whenever you want to use a loupe, you are going to put one thumb or any finger and then adjust it. Okay, you can also lift it up or down and then you can fix it, and then you can go for a surgery. And when you have a magnification, that is very helpful during your surgery. I request all my friends or doctors who are doing these surgeries, you should also train for microscopic surgical skills, which is very helpful for their practice, and it is also helpful for the patients when they are staying in the first tier cities. Mostly hand surgeons or plastic surgeons or vascular surgeons are available, but when you are in district headquarters or when you are staying in villages, sometimes if you know all these skills with a loop in your hand, you can also repair the vascular injuries and you can save the life of a patient. So I thought to share this information to all the doctors to buy a loop which is at a very decent price, that costs around 2500 rupees to 2800 rupees, which you can get it in internet. You can search as endo king dental loop, endo king dental loop. Okay, and you can search it and you can buy also. Once you have an instrument in your hand, you will start practicing. So this is the reason why conceptual orthopedics team has gifted all the doctors who attended their course, so that they have given a loop for all the doctors. So I also thought to share my friends or colleagues to get one loop and start doing it. Thank you. I hope this information is very helpful to everyone, and I also want to share that this is my second microscopic surgical skills. Once I attended in Hyderabad, that was conducted by Dr. Jaganmohan Reddy sir from Sindhu Hospitals, and this is my second course. This was organized or done by Professor Dal sir and Dr. Apur Mehra sir and Dr. Pankaj Jindal sir and Dr. P. Kotwal sir and Dr. Vineet Dabas sir and their team. And I also heard from my friends that such training is also available in Ganga Hospital in Coimbatore, which was a 5-day course, and that will also be very good. That is what I heard. So whenever you have some time, go and get trained for these microscopic surgical skills, which will be very helpful in your practice. Thank you very much.